Henry Cavill. Henry Cavill is a British actor born on May 5, 1983, in St Helier, Jersey. He is best known for his portrayal of Superman in the DC Extended Universe films, starting with Man of Steel in 2013. Cavill's performance as the iconic superhero earned him widespread recognition and established him as a leading actor in Hollywood. Before his breakout role as Superman, Cavill appeared in several notable films and television series. He played Charles Brandon, 1st Duke of Suffolk, in the historical drama series, The Tudors, from 2007 to 2010. He also starred as Theseus in the mythological action film, Immortals, in 2011. In addition to his role as Superman, Cavill has been involved in other successful projects. He played the role of Napoleon Solo in the 2015 spy film, The Man from U.N.C.L.E., and Geralt of Rivia in the Netflix series, The Witcher, based on the popular book series and video games. Henry Cavill is known for his dedication to his roles and often undergoes physical transformations for his characters. He is recognized for his athletic physique and is an avid fan of fitness and weightlifting. Overall, Cavill has become a highly respected actor in the industry, admired for his talent, charisma, and his ability to bring iconic characters to life on the screen.